Ever wonder what's behind this little green drink that's making waves in the health world? It is JC's Premier Organic Barley, sourced straight from the clean, fertile fields of New Zealand. Packed with nutrients, it helps strengthen your immune system, detox your body, support digestion, and keep your energy levels up, all naturally. Whether you're a busy mom, an on the go worker, someone healing from within, and the whole family, from children, teens, adults, and seniors. Just one sachet a day makes a big difference. Just mix with cold or room temperature water, stir and sip. That's it. It's more than a drink. It's a step toward a healthier, better you. Try JC Premier Organic Barley today. Message me now to learn more or you can order yours today. You may also shop online. Just copy the link to your browser.